Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Quotacy to sync policy documents with your email. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Quotacy to sync policy documents with your email, start by logging into your Quotacy account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu located in the upper right corner of your dashboard. In the Settings menu, locate the section for Email Integration. Click on the Email Integration option to access the configuration settings. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, select the email provider you are using from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to authenticate your email account. You may need to grant Quotacy permission to access your email. Once authorization is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Proceed to configure the sync settings for policy documents. Choose the folders you want Quotacy to sync with your email. Select the frequency of synchronization according to your needs. You can set it to sync in real time or at specified intervals. After making your selections, click the Save button. Now, navigate back to your dashboard to confirm the settings are applied. To test the configuration, upload a sample policy document to Quotacy. Monitor your email to see if you receive a copy of the document. If everything is synced correctly, you should see the document in your email inbox. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings to ensure all information is entered correctly. Once you're satisfied with the setup, you're ready to use Quotacy for syncing policy documents with your email efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.